on now.
Should we go do some pottery?
Yeah! But we do pottery then soft play.
Okay, should we have a selfie first?
Probably soft play, then pottery, then a bit more soft play.
Pottery's not booked till 6 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
6 o'clock? What?
3 o'clock. Mum's just fast forward time. So we're off to do some pottery at Pick and Paint in the Pirates Ahoy next to the Owners Club. Reception fun works over there. We've got our slot booked for 3 o'clock and we did that on the Haven app. I'll show you on screen now. Well, welcome to Pick and Paint.
Those are like the paint.
Yeah, you go on.
Lily, Polly! Oh, they've got Polly!
And Rory. So we've got Pick and Paint in here. There's a pool table. Oh, look guys. Look at all the cool stuff.
Oh my god. Mum, we can make Annie and Jazz!
Or Halloween.
Mum, can we do Annie? That's what we painted
Hedgehog.
Mummy, can we do Annie? Yeah. Because they've got the characters.
That's cool.
And then we can keep them and put them with the old characters. Can't we?
Yeah. So you're going to do Annie, you'll do Jazz? No, Lily's saying no. They got all the colours at the top, look.
I'm doing Annie.
That's cool.
Okay. But then we will know the whole season.
And got soft play as well next to it, and then I guess we'll do all the painting here.
I'm taking this off.
Yeah.
It's going to boil.
Pick and Paint pottery.
What do you think I'm doing?
She's coming. Look, is it a pirate ship? Oh.
Hi guys.
Is there?
Yeah.
We can play after.
So have you decided what you're going to be colouring?
Well, I should.
Here, Nixon. What would you like to paint? You're going to paint Annie? What are you going to paint, Lil? Give the pottery. These are all our paints.
It's cool that it spins.
It is cool that it spins.
Where's Annie's and then I could copy her? But then I know what a document is.
Oh yeah, I'll find you a picture of Annie. Yeah?
Because I need a corpse. Your pumpkins are going to go. Mum.
Thank you.
Mum, guess what? I'm going to draw Annie. But then,
There you go.
to the wrong person.
It's a video. Ready, steady.
Do I not actually have Annie?
They don't have Annie, no, darling. You want a potter cup?
And I could draw Annie on it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Or I can do a plate.
There's spider web plate, or there's a pumpkin thing.
So what you do, a pink cauldron?
No.
No, but I'm just asking what are you gonna do as your design?
Are you going to do a dance on your thingy?
What kind of design are you gonna do? What design are you gonna do, Lil? Oh. You? Are you happy with that?
Dad, can we do a before and after?
Yeah.
Okay. I haven't started. I'm putting like.
So what are you doing on yours, Lace?
I'm actually just drawing Annie, but Halloween.
How's it going, guys? Good. Blue ghost. What are you doing?
Doing a white ghost and then drawing
A white
Annie.
ghost. That's cool.
And then I'm drawing Annie.
And I'm doing a just for TV mug.
White and special colour done.
It does.
I mixed two colours.
I like it.
I'm absolutely covered in paint. Is that fun? Is that fun, Lace?
She's got a Halloween Annie ghost mug.
Yes. So we'll quickly see what they look like.
Yeah, so we got.
So that's Lily's.
The magical never lies.
Just
And
chipped
listen to
it.
it.
No, I never.
Dad, listen to
Lily's mug. We're just looking at the mugs.
Guys, listen to the magic.
Daddy's mug.
Dad's mug.
Listen to the magic ball, okay?
Okay.
Good. Because he copied me.
Yeah.
Lacey's mug, which is
Lacey.
Annie.
Oh, it's
And
beautiful.
Halloween, and it says Lacey.
Oh, why
Look at
didn't
the
I?
butt! Look at the butt!
And the blue butt. And Mummy's mug.
That's better. picking your
Gutted
nose.
about this though.
I'm scratching my nose actually.
Looks good, Mum.
Just a bit.
Is Mum's mug the best?
Yeah.
Dad's is the best. Dad's mug is the best.
Ready? Is Dad's mug's the best?
It's just for TV mug.
Dad, this is also a whistle.
Not clear.
One of a kind.
Not clear, guys. It's not clear.
Not
Guys,
clear.
guys, ready?
So, pick and paint pottery completed.
In the food place.
Our allotted time was 45 minutes. Now, I am under the impression it's an hour, but I will check.
I will check now.
Yes.
He didn't rush us, to be fair.
No, and we weren't rushed. But
We were 50.
I think you should have an hour though for that. I think they should, because there was nothing before and there's nothing after.
But the thing is as well, because it wasn't set up ready,
Yeah.
we didn't actually start until like
5
5
past.
past. Like, he was quick,
Yeah.
but it should have been ready to go at 3 if you're only getting 45 minutes.
I agree. And he did give us a 15-minute warning.
He did.
But I was annoyed initially though, because all the objects aren't there.
No.
So they should display only what they've got, so you don't get your hopes up.
Can we go to the shop now?
Yes. Go to the shop.
But they did have a
Can
go.
I get the bunny costume?
But I did like the golden one.
Because I did ride, you
They
did
had to
promise
go
me if I
far
ride
back.
my boat the whole length without stopping.
You think we should get a bunny costume?
Mum, can I get a bunny costume? Daddy said yes.
Just sink in this weather. Look how nice it is. And in an hour, it's going to change.
Well, Mum said I could get the bunny costume.
They got their sandbags out ready, look.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Follow our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.